Hey friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super easy, super fast DIY maxi tank dress. Let's get started. For this dress I am using a stretch knit fabric that I have folded in half from selvage to selvage, the long way. And I am using an old tank top that I've laid on top of the fabric, and I am cutting around the edges using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. I am going to cut around the neckline. The neckline is the same height in the front and the back, and then I'm cutting down the sides. As I get closer to the bottom, I flared it out just a little bit so that it wouldn't hug as much towards the bottom of the dress. And I am using the entire length of this fabric, so I'm cutting it all the way down to the end. I like when my dresses drag the ground, so after I try them on, that's when I cut it to the length that I want it to be. So I don't measure from my shoulders down like I do for all the other dresses for the maxi dress. I folded it in half so that I can cut it evenly on the other side. And it looks like I kind of overshot that bottom part, so I cut that edge off. So now I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to take it to my machine, and I'm going to zigzag stitch down the sides across the top edges of the shoulders. And now that that is done, I am going to hem it. I'm going to roll up 1/2 inch on the neckline and another 1/2 inch, so it's a rolled hem, and I'm going to stitch as close to the edge as possible on that. And then a 1/4 inch on the sleeves and another 1/4 inch, and so around that edge as close to the edge as possible. And for the bottom, 1/2 inch, roll it up one time, 1/2 inch, and then we're going to roll it again, another 1/2 inch, and so as close to the edge as possible all the way around. And you are done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.